What's up, guys? Today we're unboxing and checking out this SMONET Smart Lock. It has a fingerprint slot, it has a built-in key slot, and also takes IC fobs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the camera around, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna try and set it up so you guys can see how it works, and we'll tell you what we think about it. Let's get started. So here's the front of the box, guys. SMONET Smart Lock with fingerprint and IC fobs, advanced fingerprint identification. I've used one of these products before. They're really easy to install, and it has all the instructions on how to use it. It comes very well packaged. It looks like we have the battery piece right here. Here's the back piece. It's also waterproof for, water resistant for the outside, so you can use it on your outside door. Here's the keypad. Let me get the keypad out. Here's the keypad and the fingerprint slot and the key slot right there. It does come with a user manual and mounting instructions right there. And then also inside the box, we do get some mounting screws, the IC fobs, and we also get the deadbolt. And we get this bracket to mount it as well, and a nice little screwdriver. So that's everything we get inside the box, guys. So here's what the lock looks like. As you can see, we have a slot for a key. We have the keypad, and we also have the fingerprint slot. The door looks like a regular door lock now with the keypad and deadbolt. And then this is what the back looks like. As you can see, it has 4 batteries right here on the inside, and then this works regular, just like a regular door, like this. And then pretty much you can lock it with the key or lock it with by pressing the button right here. So like if I were to press any of these buttons, hold them.
Operation failed.
As you can see, it just locked it just by holding like the pound. And then if I wanted to unlock it, I would just go like this.
Unlocked.
And it would close the deadbolt. Or we can use a key. Let's lock it one more time. As you can see, deadbolt comes out. We can use the key or a code. We have a code right now. And as you can see, it unlocks it. So very easy install. And as I mentioned, it does come with an app that you can use to set up your codes. You can set up one of these TF cards to unlock it. Just put it close to it and it will unlock it. Or you can use your key as well. So many options to unlock it. We hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys.